Welcome to the Finnish countryside. I smell horse shit. Seriously. No doubt coming from over there. Well, this was supposed to be a ride alongside the lake. So far I'm seeing forest. Oh, there's the lake. Ah, we should have stopped here. We go turn around. This is nice. Very nice countryside. And I'm fortunate enough to call this country my home. Even though I'm not originally from here. I'm originally from the Netherlands. Which is basically a small country with a lot of people. Too many, if you ask me. And I don't know, it's a little bit too busy for me. Finland is nice and quiet, as you can see. Although now, of course, it's 9 o'clock in the evening on a weekday, summer weekday. It's been raining all day. Finally, it cleared up. I do see some rain clouds over there in the distance, but I think we'll be home before that. Hopefully. Oh, dead squirrel. That's so sad. And a dead bird. Poor guys.